Alright guys. Chad, what's the symbol for this train? Welcome to Kentucky! Welcome to Ohio! Welcome to New York! Welcome to Kentucky! Hello? Watch out for my can.
I'll do 3-step when you stop.
3 on the stop, CSX M204.
Alright guys. Whoa! Alright, this could be either CSX M216 or CSX M209. I mean, wait, CSX M209 there's one here. This gotta be either CSX M216 or CSX M204. And if you know the CSX train symbol and the CSX train destination for the autoracks train in this train video, please comment on all that in the comment section in this train video. Okay, bye, and that's all for now.
I-88's coming. He's coming around.
I know, Tyler. But what's the symbol for that autorack train?
Chad would know that.
You would catch somebody good.
Yeah, I'll probably go ask Chad that. Okay, fine. That's all for now.